Okay.
See, that's what he does.
Broslama.
No, Brolzma.
Brawls.
Brolzma.
Okay.
Who's watching? Tell me who's watching? Who's watching me? I'm just an average man with an average life. I work from 9 to 5. Hey, hell, I pay the price. All I want is to be left alone in my average home. But why do I always feel like I'm in the twilight zone? I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I have no privacy. Oh, I always feel like somebody's watching me. Tell me, is it just a dream? Oh, when I come home at night, I bolt the door real tight. Yeah, you call me on the phone, I'm trying to avoid it. Can the people on TV see me? Can they? Or am I just paranoid? When I'm in the shower, I'm afraid to wash my hair. Cause I might open my eyes and find someone standing there. People say I'm crazy, crazy, just a little touch. And maybe showers remind me of Psycho 2.